Connects your portable fuel tank hose to Mercury, Mariner and Force outboards at the engine end of the fuel line. Includes double seal fuel fitting connector and hose clamp. Replace older fuel lines and primer bulbs when you replace your connector. Produced to meet Mercury Marine original equipment manufacturer specifications to maximize the performance of your Mercury and Mariner outboard or Mercruiser stern drive. Quick disconnect fitting 13563Q3 fits 40 horsepower and larger Force outboards, 1993 and newer, 9.9 through 25 horsepower Force outboards, 1998 models, and all Mercury and Mariner outboards using the clip-on type quick disconnect fitting at the engine end. The fuel line barb fitting is for 5/16, 8 mm, ID fuel line hose. The Quicksilver brand is the leader in delivering uncompromising engine oils, parts and accessories to the marine industry for over 65 years. Quicksilver is the premier supplier of Mercury Marine original equipment replacement engine parts, oils and accessories, but also works to serve all original equipment brands in the marine and powersports industries. It has earned a loyal following by providing the highest quality products that are tested through some of the most rigorous environments and testing procedures. No aftermarket company comes close to the level of research and design as Quicksilver. Buying Quicksilver is buying performance, protection and peace of mind. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit for 1997 Force 120. After my local marine store sold me the wrong part and wouldn't accept a return, I shopped online and found this beauty. Contrary to what a few other reviewers stated, this Quicksilver connector was a perfect fit for 5/16 ID fuel line. It is very snug, but that's what you need. The plastic clamp that comes with it only needed about 3 clicks and it was just right. I highly recommend this replacement part for your boat. Pleased with my purchase.